So I got this toy. This is how it looks like. So there's like you have to like Hare Krishna Mata.
Hare Krishna.
Tanvi, wait, let me just spotlight you and then you can do it again.
Okay, wait. I have to do it on the good side. 1 sec.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, everybody. Welcome to the class. I was missing you both the days.
I also want to say something.
How's everybody doing?
Yesterday instead of fourth. Tanvi, ready to show?
Okay, Tanvi, let's do this way. I'll see in the end. Okay, beta, quickly. I saw it. It was very beautiful. And rest I can see in there.
Hare Krishna.
Go with the class.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Garima, can you spotlight her so we can see everyone? Like,
Okay, yeah.
Hare Krishna.
so now I wanted to say that today is my brother Krishna's birthday, so everyone please say that he a devotee of happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Krishna. Happy brother.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Krishna Champa Mataji.
dear
Happy
birthday
birthday
to you.
Krishna.
Happy birthday to you.
Hare Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
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 Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
So, say thank you everyone for wishing me. It is so nice to have you all, right?
Hare Krishna,
So thank
this is Shivadran Giridhari.
Hare Krishna, Subhadra. Welcome to the class. Say, everybody is welcome to the class. Sanvi, Srila, Tarini, Prahlad, Ayansh, Krishna, Chitra, Krishna, Maithili, Kristen, Subhadra, everybody. Shama Gauri, everybody's welcome to the class. I'm so happy to see you all. But you know what? We have a newcomer today. You know what is his name? He has a beautiful name. He's a little devotee of Lord Krishna. He's a little Vaishnava. He will tell us how old is he. But I see a little Badri here. Can everybody welcome Badri by saying 3 times Hari Bol?
Hari
Welcome Badri to the class. Welcome Badri. Do you want to tell us how old are you, beta?
Sure.
Huh?
Sure.
How old are you, Badri?
I'm old. I am 5 years old.
You're 5. Wow, big boy.
And I also want to tell you something else.
Yes, tell me.
I'm almost to 6
Hmm?
years old because I'm going 12 more days off school for me.
Wow. So nice. Happy. You're
Mataji,
soon,
I
right?
have 10 more days and then I'm gonna have a whole day. I have
Who is
10
speaking
days
that?
to Shama Gauri, I'm going to leave school in 10 days. And then
Everybody is going to be go on vacation.
And then I'm going to second grade. I'm so excited. I want to tell you something else.
Okay, tell me quick.
My other question is, I actually have a new girl.
What? Huh? What, beta?
I have a friend, Lachu.
Ah, nice. Nice.
And
So,
I always play with Lachu.
very nice. So I'm so happy to welcome Badri in our class. and we all are very happy to see each other. So let's start our chapter number 16. Who is going to tell me what verse we are at?
Prayers.
Oh yeah, we forgot the prayers. Let's start everybody with the prayers, okay? Om Agyanatimirandasya Jnananjanashakaya Chakshurumyena Tasmai Shri Gurave Radha Namostute Kanchana Gaurangi Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Haripriye Panchakalpapabhyascha Sindhubhyaiva cha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhaktavrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Srila Gurudev ki jai. All little Vaishnav children ki jai.
Hare Krishna.
Very nice. So, very nice. So, everybody, let's quickly go to chapter number 16, verse number 7.
Yoo-hoo.
Can everybody hear me and see me?
Yes.
Perfect. So, verse number 6, we already discussed last time. This chapter, the name of this chapter is, who's going to tell me? Can everybody tell me the name?
The divine nature.
Yes, the divine and demoniac natures. Daivim and Asurim Sampadam. Daivim means divine. Asurim means demoniac. And Sampadam means nature, qualities. So, till now we discussed that verse number 1 to 3 talks about 26 divine qualities. Verse number 4 talks about 6 demoniac qualities. And then we discuss verse number 5 and 6, where Krishna tells Arjuna that you are born with divine qualities. You don't have to worry about anything. And then verse number 6, Krishna tells Arjuna there are 2 kind of people, 2 kind of living beings in this material world. One, those who are divine nature, and one have demoniac natures. So now Krishna is going to go in detail for the people who have demoniac qualities. So let's see what Krishna says. Pravrittim cha nivrittim cha. Everything you will hear na. Janana vidur asuraha na. Na shaucham. Napi, na again, right? Napi chacharo. Na. Satyam teshu vidyate. Na. So what is na? Na means no. So let's see what translation is going with. Those who are demoniac, they do not know what is to be done and what is not to be done. Neither cleanliness, nor proper behavior, nor truth is found in them.
They don't know what they know.
Yes.
They don't know what they're doing.
So they don't know actually what they are doing. They don't even know what is good for them and what is bad for them. So Srila Prabhupada explains as usual very beautifully in purport, because if we do not have Srila Prabhupada's purport, we cannot understand Bhagavad Gita. So Srila Prabhupada explains that in every civilized human society, there are some rules and regulations which are followed from the beginning, especially amongst the Aryans who take up to Vedic civilization. those who do not follow the scriptures means our shastra, our books, they are supposed to be demons, right? If the Bhagavad Gita says something, don't do it, don't do it. Bhagavad Gita says do it, do it. But when we do not follow at least main rules and regulations, what happens? The people develop demoniac qualities. Therefore, it is stated here that the demons do not know the scriptural rules, nor do they want to follow them. They don't even have interest to follow them. Most of them do not know them. And when some of them know, they don't even want to follow. They don't have the tendency to follow them. They have no faith. They are not willing to terms according to Vedic books. The demons are not clean, neither in externally, means in the body wise, nor internally. So here Srila Prabhupada very beautifully explained. Do you all wake up in the morning and brush your teeth?
Yes.
Or directly go to school with stinky breath?
We brush our teeth.
Yes. So Srila Prabhupada also same thing. He says one should always be careful to keep his body clean by bathing, brushing teeth. If he's a guy, shaving, changing clothes, etc. Right? So this is how we keep our external body clean. Do we all take bath every single day?
Yes.
Yes, right? Before we eat food, we wash our hands, right? Normal cleaning, right? Change clothes. Do we wear same outfits for 7 days a week?
No.
Serve the deities in the same dirty clothes?
No.
No, yes. So this is external cleanliness. And then what is internal? Now, last time also we discussed something. How do we clean ourselves internally? That means our mind and heart. How do we clean? We take a toothbrush. We take a toothbrush and brush our heart.
Hare Krishna. Reading Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam. And
Yes.
so praying
But the
and doing
most
arti
important thing,
and
wait. Most important thing to clean our heart and mind internally. What is it? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. We must clean our heart and mind every single day. Right? That's most important. So Srila Prabhupada explains here that from the people who have demoniac qualities, they do not maintain cleanliness, not externally, not internally. Even their behavior is not good. They don't even know how to behave. Their behavior is not good. And they do not speak truth. They always speak lies. So that is another nature. Do you remember 26 divine qualities? What did we discuss there? Satyam. Do you remember? Abhayam, truthfulness. Yes, Abhayam, Sattvam, Samshuddhi. How are we supposed to speak all the time? Lies?
No.
Lies to our parents, to our friends, to everybody?
No.
Yes, so
we can only say the lies for the pleasure of Krishna.
yes, but that's little higher understanding. Here, we should not speak lies. So Krishna is speaking that demoniac qualities, they don't even know how to speak truth. They do not speak truth. So when we come to shlokas, we'll discuss more meaning of each word, how Krishna is talking about it. So one of the example is Duryodhan. Can everybody hear me?
Yes.
Yes. So one of the example is Duryodhan. Duryodhan had demoniac qualities. You know, he had this gambling with Pandavas and cheating. With the cheating, he won that game because he knew that he cannot win with Pandavas. So that was untruth, right? It was not based on complete truth. Also Duryodhan tried to poison the Bhima, and Duryodhan, even though he was a Kshatriya, but he was not following the rules of Kshatriya. Right? Kshatriya is supposed to fight. Kshatriya is supposed to be truthful. Kshatriya is supposed to give protection to others. Instead of that, he wanted to burn the house of Pandavas, or he wanted to poison the Bhima. So these are demoniac qualities. So verse number 8. Asatyam. Means no, right? Asatyam apratishtamte jagadaho aneshwaram aparaspara sambhutam kim anyat kama haitukam. So what does demoniac people say? They say, Krishna is saying, they say that this world is unreal. This world is not real. It has no foundation. It has no base. There is no God in control.
Mataji,
Yes, Tanvi?
what shloka are we on?
I just went to verse number 8, beta. Chapter 16, verse 8. So what do they say? Yes. So they say that this world, there's no God in control. Everything happened by itself. They say it is produced of sex desire. That means mating of man and women, and has no cause other than lust. It is all just based on desires and lust. So what Srila Prabhupada explains, that these demoniac people, they think there is no cause and effect, no controller. There's no purpose of this material world. Everything is unreal. All of a sudden, this material world came into existence. Do you all understand?
Yes.
They do not think that the world was created by God for a certain purpose. They have their own theory that world has come about in its own way. They don't even believe in the soul. So they take everything for granted. They are not thankful even. Like, yes.
Can you read the translation again? I couldn't hear you when you said it.
Yes, I'll explain you, beta. Give me 1 minute. I'll read it again, okay? They take the whole this world to be granted, and they think it is just a display of ignorance. So the whole point is that demoniac quality, they do not believe God. They say, oh, I mean, these rivers exist, these mountains exist, all this exists, like nobody created it, all just came by chance. Does anything happens by chance? When we read Bhagavad Gita,
What is chance?
by chance means by itself, by coincidence. Everything came by itself. Do you all understand?
Created it for a purpose.
Varun, do you have a question, beta? I didn't get you.
Mataji, for all the structures that like existed, Krishna created them for a purpose.
Are you trying to say Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead? Somehow you're breaking up, dear. I'm not able to get you.
No, I'm saying that Krishna, everything doesn't happen by chance. Everything
Yes.
happens based.
Yes, we
Everything
read in previous
happens-
chapters.
Yeah.
Yes, we read in previous chapter, chapter 7, chapter 8, right? Everything happens with the will of Krishna. And what is the reason that this material world was formed? Everything, right? We have discussed. Yes. So translation says that demoniac quality people, they say that this world is unreal with no foundation, no God in control. Nobody's controlling. Everything is happening by itself. They say it is produced of sex desire and has no cause other than lust. So everything is based on the desires. Everything is just produced by the relations between man and women. So it's not like that. Not even a blade of grass moves without the will of Krishna. Unless Krishna wants something, nothing happens. And there is a bigger purpose of this material creation, material world, which we have discussed, but we can always again discuss in further later. So this is the demoniac mentality. Those who do not believe in the God, according to them, God does not exist. Everything is by itself. Plants grow by itself, trees grows by itself, mountains, rivers, air, water, everything is by itself. There's no controller. Now, like in your house, your mommy and daddy controls the house. Yes or no?
What do you mean?
Yes.
Control means they manage, they maintain, they take care of whole house. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now imagine just a week you are alone in the house and there's no mommy and daddy. So there's no controlling, there's no maintaining, there's no nothing. What will be the condition of the house?
Dirty, messy.
Yes.
Homeless.
Yes. So how can we believe that that a little house cannot survive without a little controllers of mommy and daddy? Without 1 or 2 days, how can this whole creation not be controlled by God? Is that even possible?
No.
No. So this is demoniac mentality. Okay.
I have a question.
Yes.
That
Yes.
People who are in these demonic natures, like
Hmm.
if they do karma kanda, are they in demonic nature? Because they're
It
not
depends.
following the Bhagavad Gita. So
But
are
then,
they?
but then some people, they don't follow Bhagavad Gita, but they follow the Vedas. So they are still following the scriptures. So that is okay.
Okay.
So let's go for verse number. Yes, who is it?
I just want some. So like,
Yes,
you know,
beta.
in the Mahabharata, right? Like there's like Duryodhana and Arjuna. So like when Krishna was sleeping on the bed, Duryodhana said, "I'll stay where Krishna head is." And Arjuna
Yes.
said, "Okay, I can."
I'll at his at lotus feet. Yes.
Yeah, and like when because Krishna will wake up this way, not this way, because he sleeps this way, and then he'll get up this way. So Arjuna will go first, and then
Yeah. So devotees always take the shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord. Right? Their aim is just the lotus feet of the Lord. They don't think beyond that. But the demoniac, they themselves consider themselves as God sometimes. Right?
yes.
Okay. So let's quickly jump. Just hop like a bunny on verse number 7 quickly, okay? Pravrittim cha.
Read verse number 7 only. Pravrittim cha.
Pravrittim cha.
Pravritam cha.
Pravrittim cha.
Pravritam cha.
Badri, you can follow Mataji beta. All the children unmute and please start following. Badri, come on, follow. I want to hear your cute voice, okay beta? Pravritim cha. Pravritim cha.
Pravritam cha.
Nivrittim cha. Nivrittim cha.
Nivrittim cha.
Nivrittim cha.
Nivrittim cha.
Nivrittim cha. Janana.
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 Janana. Vidur asuraha.
Vidur asuraha.
We're going to join Vidur and Asuraha and we're going to say Vidurasuraha.
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 Janana Vidurasuraha.
Janana vidurasuraha.
Janana Vidurasuraha. Pravrittim cha nivrittim cha. Janana Vidurasuraha.
Janana vidurasuraha.
Janana Vidurasuraha.
Janana vidurasuraha.
Na shaucham.
Na shaucham.
Na shaucham.
Na shaucham.
Na shaucham. Napi chacharo. Napi chacharo. Na shaucham napi chacharo.
Na shaucham.
Na shaucham napi chacharo. So every Mathili unmute, Chitra, Krishna, Ayansh, everybody, Tanvi unmute.
Unmuted.
Okay, perfect. Na shaucham napi chacharo.
Na shaucham.
Satyam.
Yam.
Satyam.
Satyam.
Eshu vidyate. Satyam.
Satyam.
Eshu vidyate.
Eshu vidyate.
Eshu vidyate.
Who wants cheesecake here?
Me.
Everybody, yes. So I want everybody's loud noises, loud voices in the shloka. Then only we can have some nice treat, right? Cheesecake. And there's a soon surprise coming. Okay, it's a surprise. I'm not going to tell you today, but soon it's coming and I'll surprise you all, okay?
There's a surprise.
Yeah, so everybody has to speak loudly. Come on. Yes, come on. Na satyam teshu vidyate.
Na satyam te.
Na satyam teshu vidyate. Na satyam teshu vidyate.
Na satyam.
Na satyam teshu vidyate.
Na satyam.
Okay, so we discussed satyam means truth. So na satyam. Na satyam means
No Satyam.
no truth. No truth means all lies, right?
No truthfulness.
Yes. Now let's discuss the meaning of the shloka. Pravritam means acting properly. Vritam means not acting properly, not acting improperly. Cha means end. Janaha means persons. Na means never. Viduhu means no. Asuraha.
Hi, Caroline.
Asuraha means demoniac.
Can you tell everyone that we're
So
still
shaucham, everybody, shaucham. We have to shaucham means
cleanliness?
cleanliness. Yes. And when it says cha charo, right? Cha charo. So cha means and acharaha. Acharaha means
We have a computer. Yeah.
Eshu means in them. And vidyate means there is. Pravrittim cha nivrittim cha. Janana vidurasuraha. Na shaucham na pichacharo. Na satyam teshu vidyate. Very good. Pravrittim cha nivrittim cha. Janana vidurasuraha. Na shaucham na pichacharo. Na satyam teshu vidyate.
Na satyam.
Very good. You all got it. Let's go verse number 8, okay? Asatyam apratishtham te. Asatyam speaking. Satya means truth. Truth speaking. Asatyam means unreal. It's not real, right? So asatyam apratishtham te. Apratishtham te. Apratishtham te. Apratishtham te. Asatyam apratishtham te.
Asatyam.
Asatyam apratishtham te.
Asatyam.
Jagadahur.
Is it Nana?
Joining. We are joining two words. Now, when you don't pay attention how to join, I'm hearing sometime recordings. You still say Jagad Ahur, which is not wrong. It's fine. But since I help you practice, you can try to combine and say Jagad Ahur, Anishwaram, Jagadahur, Anishwaram. No, so let's discuss what is the meaning of this. Asatyam means unreal. Unreal. Apratishtam. Okay, everybody look at my hands. Unreal. And then apratishtam. Without any foundation. Without any foundation. No base. Can I make cheesecake without the base? It's not possible. So how can this material world be here without any foundation, right? Okay. So without foundation, Jagat means this whole cosmic manifestation. And then Anishwaram means Ishwar. Ishwar means what? God.
No God.
God, Krishna. And Anishwaram means with no controller. No God.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yes,
no God.
no controller. Aparaspara Sambhutam. Aparaspara Sambhutam. Aparaspara Sambhutam. Aparaspara Sambhutam. Aparaspara Sambhutam. Manyat. When you join Kim and Anyat, M and A becomes Ma. Kimanyat. Kimanyat. Kama. Haitukam. Haitukam. Kimanyat kama haitukam. Very good. Kimanyat kama haitukam. Kimanyat kama haitukam. So aparaspara. Aparaspara means there's no cause. Without cause, this material world is produced. Sambhutam, arisen. Arisen means it arises, comes into existence. Kim anyat, there is no other cause. Kama haitukam means it is due to lust only, desire only, lust. So this is the shloka. Asatyam apratishtam te. Jagadahur anishwaram. Aparaspara sambhutam. Kimanyat kama haitukam. Very good. You all got it. Very nice. I'm so proud of you all. And Raghav, look at that Raghav. He also got it. And Badri is getting it. Wow. The little ones are also getting. And of course, you all are getting it. Asatyam apratishtam te. Jagadahur anishwaram. Aparaspara sambhutam. Kimanyat kama haitukam.
Himanyat Kamahaitu.
So everybody ready for repetition?
Yes, mother.
Is everybody here or somewhere else?
I'm here.
Does everybody have their own sunglasses right now? Yes. Everybody's eyes open, ears open. Ranga.
I have a
Go, Ranga.
No,
Go, Ranga. Go, Ranga.
Nityananda.
Ranga.
Nityananda.
Very good. So let's start quickly. 1, 2. Okay, wait, Badri, you have to repeat with me. Okay, beta, not follow me. 1, 2, 3. Verse number 7.
Karo na satyam teshu vidyate.
1, 2, 3.
Nana Vedo
One, two, three. I cannot hear Prahlad, I cannot hear Vrinda, I cannot hear Chitra and Krishna, I cannot hear Chitra. Come on. No tree. No tree. Mataji will become a mini Mataji. Bully Mataji like school. Is it okay? Oh, even I won't like myself, trust me. So quickly, come on, loudly. 1, 2, 3. Pravritim
Satyam teshu vidyate.
Last time. Pravritim
Nana Vedo asaraha
Everybody, when you are reciting this verse, everybody has to show me their hands. No, no, no. Everything is no in this verse. Okay, so it is exactly opposite of divine qualities. Everything. You have to show your hands. No, no, no. Do you all see no, no, no? Yes? Perfect. Verse number 8. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3.
Asatyam apratistam te jagat aharaniswaram parasparam
Show me your hands. Show me your moves, everybody. 1, 2, 3.
Asatyam aniswaram aparasara sambhupam manat amahaitukam.
1, 2, 3. Maithili, unmute. Asatyam pratishtam te
Aharaniswaram aparasara sambhupam manat amahaitukam.
Last time, everybody. Asatyam pratishtam te
Aharaniswaram aparasara
Everybody clap. You all did wonderful. You all did good. Even for your friends, you all should clap. A big clap. You all deserve a pat on your back. If I was with you all, I would have easily sat down and fed you some nice cupcakes. You all are doing so
My
wonderful.
mom made some cupcakes yesterday.
Yes.
for my-
So now here everybody has to send me recording of verse number 7 and 8 separate and 1 to 6 separate. So, and everybody is going to send me only 1, 2, 3 with meanings. Did you all get it? 1, 2, 3 with meanings. Number 4 also meanings, and rest just the verses. That's all. Did you all get it, beta? Yes. Is it possible for you all to draw something in these boxes, or just write down simply no truth, no this, no this? Can you write, or can you draw something? Can you draw a little demon and write down next to his face, oh, no truth, he doesn't speak truth, or he doesn't clean his body externally or internally, or what does he do? Right? Do you all see the boxes here? Would you be able to do it, everybody?
Yes.
And can everyone promise me before you all sleep at night, right? You all go to your ice cream land. Can you all repeat today's food shloka 5 times? Only 5 times.
Of course.
Right? That takes a lot of hard work, right? We have to scrub and do it, right? No, right? No, it's very easy. Just not even 5 minutes, right? So make sure everybody does that, okay? And I'll see you all tomorrow. Meantime, I love you all. And I'll miss you all. Bye. So I want to speak to Badri. Badri, just stay back, okay, beta? I'm going to talk to you, okay? I love you all. Everybody can log out. And Tarini, I'm going to send you the PDF. I know you don't have PDF. I'm going to send you today, okay?
Question.
Bye, beta.
I have
Who has a
a question.
question?
I want
Who?
to say something.
Yeah, Raghav want to say. Raghav, say.
My
Send
mom
you
this
recording.
my mom this muffin. And
What? Repeat that.
my mom did muffin and cupcakes.
Your mommy did not make it.
Mom,
Or she did make it. She made it for you.
yes.
Wow. That
My brother.
is so wonderful. Of course you deserve it. You know, next time I will also come to your house to eat mommy's muffin. Okay, save some for me. Okay. You know why mommy made muffin? Because you are doing so wonderful. You're reciting so nicely. That's why mommy is treating you. So you keep doing it and mommy will make your favorite things. Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Wonderful. I know you are doing wonderful. Okay. Keep doing it. So everybody please log out. I need to speak to Badri. Where is Badri? Badri is here.
Mataji, can I show you something?
Janvi, tell me.
Can I show you something?
Tell me. Show me. Fast.
Mataji, I have a question.
Yes, Krishna, go.
Mataji, was there any class yesterday? Because I did not join.
No, there was no class. It was off.
I had gone to the lake with my friends.
Oh, you went to the lake. Nice. Where did you go?
To the lake, I don't know where. Actually, I had gone with Sandvi and Ayansh.
Oh, nice. Very good.
I had fun there.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
That's good. That's all, only you, Sanvi and Ayash?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm glad you had fun. You enjoyed. I'm so happy. Okay. So Krishna, I'll see you tomorrow, beta. You can log out. I'll just quickly speak to Badri, okay? Hare Krishna. Flavor Mataji, do you have any question? Flavor Mataji, do you want to speak to me?
No, Mataji, no question. I'm just learning with the.
Thank you so much for
Excellent.
joining. Thank you so much for joining and giving us your association. We are very, very grateful to you.
Yeah. Thank you. No, I have no question. You're just such an excellent instructor, and I want to learn because I need more practice for the shloka, so I can help Tristan a little bit better. I think
Yes,
I'm
so
failing him, so I want to do better, so I have to listen as well. Thank you so
no,
much.
I'm very happy. I know it's a little kiddie. It's not very, very elaborate, Mataji.
No,
but I
no,
hope,
perfect.
I hope it's helping Tristan, and wherever I can be a little instrument.
I
in
want to
anybody's
be
sadhana, I'm
like,
willing to.
I want to be like your little Krishna and your little Garima. They're doing so excellent. You're wonderful, wonderful.
Thank
So
you
if I'm
so much, Mataji.
asking Krishna in my next life if I can be a devotee child with a wonderful mother like you.
Oh, Krishna, no, Mataji, you are already devotee. Tristan is devotee.
Oh.
You don't have to do that. You all are already wonderful. You have already taken up to Krishna consciousness, and that is so wonderful.
Thank you so much,
So-
Mataji. Only Krishna's
So
mercy.
please bless both the children.
Yes, please. I will bless every time if I'm qualified as much as possible. Have a
Definitely,
wonderful
yes.
evening. See you tomorrow.
You too,
Hare
Mataji. See you
Krishna.
tomorrow. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Thank you
Krishna.
again for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Love you, Mataji. Hari bol, Badri. I'm so happy to see you after a long time. You're a big boy now. You're grown up.
Yes,
You're grown up. You,
I want to show you something.
yeah. First, tell me, do you remember Mataji? Do you know Mataji or no?
You remember her?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Remember?
I thought you forgot. I'm glad you did not hurt my feelings. Thank you so much. That is so sweet of you
And
to
I
remember
also
me.
have something to show you.
Yeah, tell me. Tell me. Karima,
Yes.
repeat the shloka 5 times. Go. Tell me. Come on.
This is actually